Many people find themselves overwhelmed by their financial obligations, often leading to poor decision-making when it comes to repayment. One of the most common mistakes is focusing solely on minimum payments, which can prolong the debt cycle and result in paying significantly more in interest over time. Additionally, some individuals may resort to high-interest loans or credit cards to pay off existing debts, creating a vicious cycle that exacerbates their financial situation. It's vital to recognize these pitfalls and learn how to navigate them effectively. By educating ourselves on the best practices for debt repayment, we can avoid these common traps and work towards a healthier financial future. This video aims to highlight these mistakes and provide insights into more effective strategies that can lead to successful debt management. We encourage you to stay tuned as we explore the worst approaches to paying off debt and offer practical tips to help you sidestep these issues. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions that promote your financial well-being. Remember, understanding the right way to tackle debt is not just about paying it off, it's about building a sustainable financial foundation for the future. So let's get started and empower ourselves with the knowledge to avoid these detrimental debt repayment methods. In our discussion today, we'll explore the dangers of merely moving debt around without addressing the underlying issues that contribute to financial struggles. Many individuals believe that shuffling debt from one account to another, such as through debt consolidation or personal loans, will provide a quick fix to their financial woes. However, this approach can often lead to a worse financial situation in the long run. While consolidating debts may lower monthly payments or interest rates temporarily, it does not tackle the root causes of debt accumulation, such as overspending or poor budgeting habits. By simply transferring balances, individuals may find themselves in a cycle of debt that continues to grow as they fail to change the behaviors that led to their financial predicament in the first place. Common practices like taking out a personal loan to pay off credit card debt can seem appealing, but they often mask deeper issues. Without a fundamental shift in financial behaviors, individuals may quickly accumulate new debt, leaving them in a precarious position. It's crucial to recognize that true financial health requires more than just rearranging numbers on a balance sheet. It demands a commitment to changing spending habits, creating realistic budgets, and developing a mindset focused on long-term financial stability. By emphasizing the importance of addressing these underlying issues, we can empower ourselves to break free from the cycle of debt and build a more secure financial future. In this segment, we will compare two popular debt repayment strategies, the debt snowball method and the debt avalanche method. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. This approach offers significant psychological benefits, as it allows individuals to experience quick wins. By eliminating smaller debts, you gain a sense of accomplishment and motivation, which can be crucial in maintaining momentum on your journey to becoming debt-free. The satisfaction of seeing debts disappear can encourage you to stay committed to your repayment plan and tackle larger debts with renewed determination. On the other hand, the debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This strategy is mathematically advantageous, as it minimizes the total interest paid over time, potentially leading to a faster overall repayment period. However, the avalanche method may not provide the same immediate gratification as the snowball method. For some, the lack of quick wins can lead to frustration and decreased motivation, especially when larger debts take longer to pay off. Ultimately, the choice between these two methods depends on individual preferences and financial situations. If you thrive on quick victories and need that psychological boost, the debt snowball method may be the right fit for you. Conversely, if you prefer a more analytical approach that prioritizes minimizing interest costs, the debt avalanche method could be more effective. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each method can help you choose the best strategy for your unique circumstances, paving the way for successful debt repayment. In this section, we will discuss the pitfalls of using debt settlement companies, which may seem like a quick solution for those struggling with overwhelming debt. While these companies promise to negotiate lower payments with creditors, the reality is that debt settlements can significantly damage your credit score. When you settle a debt for less than what you owe, it is reported as settled rather than paid in full, which can negatively impact your creditworthiness for years to come. This damage can hinder your ability to secure loans, credit cards, or even housing in the future. Moreover, relying on third-party companies for debt resolution carries inherent risks. Many of these companies charge hefty fees for their services, which can add to your financial burden rather than alleviate it. Additionally, there is no guarantee that they will successfully negotiate a settlement, leaving you in a precarious position with your creditors. Some companies may even advise you to stop making payments altogether, which can lead to increased interest, late fees, and potential legal action from creditors. It's essential to encourage viewers to take personal responsibility for their debt. Instead of outsourcing this critical aspect of financial management, individuals should educate themselves about their options and develop a plan to tackle their debts directly. By taking control of their financial situation, they can make informed decisions that lead to sustainable debt repayment and ultimately improve their financial health. Remember, while debt settlement companies may seem appealing, the long-term consequences can be detrimental, making it crucial to explore alternative solutions that empower you to regain control over your finances. In this section, we will discuss the importance of adjusting your lifestyle while paying off debt. One of the most critical steps in the debt repayment process is the need to cut unnecessary expenses. By identifying and eliminating non-essential spending, you can free up more funds to allocate toward your debt payments. This might involve reevaluating subscriptions, dining out less frequently, or finding more affordable entertainment options. Every dollar saved can make a significant difference in your repayment timeline. Creating financial margin for debt payments is essential, and there are several practical ways to achieve this. Consider setting a strict budget that prioritizes debt repayment and tracks your spending. You might also explore opportunities to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or selling unused items around your home. These additional funds can provide the necessary cushion to accelerate your debt repayment efforts. While making these adjustments may feel challenging in the short term, the long-term benefits of making temporary sacrifices are substantial. By committing to a more frugal lifestyle now, you can pave the way for a debt-free future, which ultimately leads to greater financial freedom and peace of mind. Once your debts are paid off, you'll have the opportunity to redirect those funds towards savings, investments, or experiences that enrich your life. Embracing this temporary lifestyle change can be a powerful motivator, reminding you that the sacrifices you make today will lead to a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Remember, the journey to financial health requires dedication and discipline, but the rewards are well worth the effort. In this section, we will discuss the significance of maintaining a giving mindset during debt repayment. While it may seem counterintuitive to focus on generosity when facing financial challenges, incorporating a giving attitude can positively impact your financial habits and overall mindset. When you practice giving, whether through donations, volunteering, or helping others, you cultivate a sense of abundance rather than scarcity. This shift in perspective can motivate you to manage your finances more responsibly, as you begin to see money not just as a means to pay off debt, but as a tool for making a positive difference in the lives of others. Encouraging viewers to incorporate generosity into their financial plans can be transformative. Even small acts of giving can create a ripple effect, fostering a sense of community and connection. By allocating a portion of your budget for charitable contributions or acts of kindness, you reinforce the idea that financial resources can be used for good, which can inspire you to be more disciplined in your spending and saving habits. Moreover, managing money responsibly while maintaining a giving mindset contributes to character building. It teaches valuable lessons about empathy, gratitude, and the importance of prioritizing long-term goals over immediate gratification. As you navigate the challenges of debt repayment, embracing a giving mindset can help you develop resilience and a deeper understanding of financial stewardship. Ultimately, this approach not only aids in your journey to becoming debt-free, but also enriches your life and the lives of those around you, creating a more fulfilling and purpose-driven financial experience. In this section, we will introduce a budgeting app that can serve as a valuable tool for managing debt. Every Dollar. This user-friendly budgeting app is designed to simplify the budgeting process, making it easier for individuals to take control of their finances. By using Every Dollar, you can effectively track your expenses and create a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your needs. The app allows you to categorize your spending, set financial goals, and monitor your progress, which is essential for anyone looking to pay off debt. Budgeting plays a crucial role in debt management. as it helps you gain a clear understanding of where your money is going each month. By identifying areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses, you can allocate more funds toward your debt repayment. EveryDollar's intuitive interface makes it easy to input your income and expenses, allowing you to see your financial picture at a glance. This visibility can empower you to make informed decisions about your spending habits and prioritize debt repayment effectively. We encourage viewers to utilize budgeting tools like EveryDollar to enhance their debt repayment strategies. By incorporating a budgeting app into your financial routine, you can stay organized and accountable, making it easier to stick to your repayment plan. Remember, effective debt management requires discipline and awareness, and a budgeting app can provide the structure you need to achieve your financial goals. With the right tools at your disposal, you can take significant steps toward becoming debt-free and building a more secure financial future. In this video, we've covered several key points regarding effective debt management and the common mistakes to avoid when paying off debt. We discussed how merely moving debt around without addressing underlying issues can lead to a worse financial situation, emphasizing the importance of changing financial behaviors rather than just focusing on numbers. We also compared the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods, highlighting the psychological benefits of quick wins versus the mathematical advantages of prioritizing high-interest debts. Additionally, we explored the pitfalls of relying on debt settlement companies and the significance of adjusting your lifestyle to create financial margin for debt payments. As we wrap up, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with friends or family who may benefit from these insights. Whether you're looking for tips on budgeting, saving, or investing, we have a wealth of resources designed to empower you in your financial journey. By staying informed and proactive, you can make meaningful progress toward your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.